Gucci, she said to me, land to any family me. Amandia Gucci, a young man, don't let see to me. Don't let see to me. A piano that was a true